Hello everybody. I'm excited to share with you guys a box I got in the mail. Never done this particular one before. This is actually the Huda Beauty mystery bundles. And I bought these in, I think it was early March. They come wrapped up with the cool paper, and they seem to be well bubble wrapped. I got both of them. I have very little Huda Beauty products. I don't know why, but I just don't have a ton of them. So I bought both the little one and the big one. I know why. It's expensive. Okay, let me back up here. I bought one of the dupes for the Mercury retrograde palette. It was this one. Changeables, Bubble, Nebula, You Can Be. And I didn't like it. And I was like, okay, if this is supposed to be a dupe, I don't know that I would like the original. So then for fun, I bought a W7 dupe for it called Total Eclipse. Haven't played with that one yet. Gotta be honest, I'm kind of hoping that in one of these two mystery bags that I got the original Mercury retrograde. Because I hear people say that it's like absolutely their favorite, love it, couldn't imagine living without, take it to a deserted island type product. And I didn't get it with my dupe experiment. And I don't know if I used the dupe just like once or twice, but I didn't care for it. And I'm not normally a pastel kind of person. You can't really tell that because I kind of like this, is it Flutterby? I think Flutterby eyeshadow palette on here. Okay, so we're gonna go through these. Even the bubble wrap is stamped with Huda Beauty on it. Anyway, I didn't get any of these last year. I think I have 3 of her little 9-pan quads, and then I have a bunch of the dupes for the Obsessions palette that I got from C Color, and I like C Color Cosmetics a lot. These holographic makeup bags are so cute. This is super cool. This is worth purchasing anyway. I don't know if you can buy these separately, but it's actually super cute. It's not, I mean, it's plastic. It doesn't have the same luxury quality as, say, Allie Glines bags do. But this is the small one. I've got it opened up here. I got a card from Huda. We love your mystery bundle, gorgeous, because we hope you found some new favorites. It's white lettering on a, and I don't have my reading glasses. I'm not even gonna try. Okay, first thing in here though is some of her fragrance. I think it's like a multi-sample. This is Kaoli. It's collection 01. And if I recall, this has, does this have several in here? Oh yeah, it's super cute. So what I heard, and I've never smelled any of these fragrances before, but what I heard is they're really good to like mix and match, kind of like be your own parfumerie. That'll be fun to kind of mix these up. Some people say, oh, individually they're not spectacular, but once you start, you know, mixing them and layering them, you can find like your own signature scent. So that's kind of fun. Okay, what else do I have in here? I got a sample of Wishful Gentle, Simple, Effective Honey Balm. Okay, here's the thing about this. I am all about a balm. I am all about honey. As soon as you start, and I like turmeric, niacinamide, all that is great. The very first thing listed on here is lavender. And the minute I do lavender essential oils, candles, products like that, I immediately like swell up. Not like my face, but my sinuses. I get super congested. Oh, okay. This is super fun. Okay, so it looks like the first thing in here is maybe a lipstick palette, and it's in shade Seductress. Okay, so let's take a look and see what this is. So I guess she did these last year, and they were super popular and fun, and I didn't see any of those videos. And I've been trying not to watch people's videos on these. Okay, this component's actually really pretty. It has the same kind of like holographic sort of look as the makeup thing. I think this is just like a balm. Oh no, it's like a sparkly lip balm. The component feels a little light, and it does look like just a clear balm. So this is great. This is nice because I'm a balm person. Matte and metal. I think this is an eyeshadow duo, right? Matte and metal. I was so excited when this finally came in. I was like one of those things where you guys use the Shop app. It used to be called Arrive, and I use it to track packages. And I think one side is like a matte eyeshadow. That's pretty. The applicator is very soft, and it's kind of a terracotta warm color. And then I think the other one is supposed to be metallic, right? I don't have any of these. Okay, that's interesting. This is more of a like a fine brush. So I guess if you're going to do something a little bit more detailed or up against a lash line, they complement each other very well. Those will be fun. I don't know anything about the formula. Can you guys tell me, do they last a long time? Are they comfortable? Do they crease on ladies of a certain age who gets crinkly eyelids? Okay, next thing on here, I'm guessing is a lip product. And it says Huda Demi Matte. The color is Bonnie, which always reminds me of Bonnie Prince Charlie because I'm a portion Scottish. I have relatives that live up there. You guys know that, right? Did I tell you that before? Like close relatives, people that, I mean, I enjoy. My grandmother, she was like a war bride and came across on a boat a couple generations ago. So my mom was first U.S. generation on my grandmother's side, and she was born in Massachusetts. Okay, so this beautiful component. I like this ombre thing. You know what this kind of reminds me of? And I hate to even say it, but I saw the release of the Jaclyn Hill lip launch. That's a fun doe foot applicator. Oh, the color's like a rose. That's really pretty. Anyway, this component, this ombre component, of course I haven't seen the Jaclyn ones yet, but this looks like kind of what she showed. I haven't decided if I'm gonna order them yet. I think I will. I gotta be honest, I didn't have any hairy lipstick issues. I bought like 3 of the lipsticks. There was no hairs on mine. They seem fine. I maybe didn't get the colors that I wanted, but she ended up refunding me all the money. And I've bought her, like her Morphe collabs. Like I bought her volume 1, her volume 2, and then her Vault. I bought all those. I have several of her loose powders, pressed highlighters. You know, I have a number of the products, and she's no better or no worse in my opinion. I mean, everybody makes mistakes, right? But she's a phoenix. She rose back up, and I don't know. All right, you guys. Huda Nude Rich eyeshadow. I think this is a 9 pan, right? Oh yeah, that's cute. This will go really good with that lipstick. Wow. I don't have this. This is really, really pretty. I don't even know that one of my dupes is like this. This is actually lovely. I like the fact that you have really 4 or 5 good mattes in here and then 4 shimmers. This is going to be fantastic as an eyeliner, or to kind of like darken up, smoke out an eye look. And then the other ones look like they pair really beautifully. Like I can see that paired, that paired, that paired, that paired. 2 eyeshadows at a time. You don't have to get super creative. This was really fun. As I mentioned, I didn't have any other Huda products. So, I mean, I have like 3 eyeshadows. I don't know if I have any lipstick bullets or not. I feel like maybe I saw some at like a TJ Maxx or something. But anyway, that's all the things that were in this small bundle, mystery bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this has 5 full-size items, like with the, if you count the makeup bag, the eyeshadow palette, the eyeshadow duo, the lipstick, the lip balm, and then you've got the perfume samplers, and then the sample of the Wish Honey Lavender Niacinamide Turmeric Balm. Let's get into the large one. This is such a great way to try out products, and I wasn't worried about getting duplicates because I didn't have very many products to begin with, so that's the big one. Here's the comparison in size. Nesting. I'm sensing some nesting. Has a cute little rose gold zipper tabby thing on it with, it feels like a leather actual fob. Okay. Another card. This will get recycled. We have a Huda emoji. Download the free app now. This looks like an air freshener. Maybe it smells like one of the perfumes. I don't know. It's kind of fun, actually. It's cute. It's not too horrible. I saw some people that had like stickers and stuff, and I'm not really a sticker person, so good and bad. Doesn't look like I got the Mercury Retrograde palette. It's fine. I've got 2 dupes. Did I really need the original? Okay, but the first thing in here is, it looks like one of her beauty blenders. Beauty blender. It's a, you know, like a face sponge kind of thing. So this says it's called the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. I hear you're not supposed to open these because they start to kind of break down when they get exposed to air, and I have a bunch that are open, but I'm just gonna open it anyway. I can neither confirm or deny that that's really a thing. Okay, so it feels pretty dense. I'll be curious to see how much, it's hard to see with the background. I'll be curious to see how much larger this gets when it gets damp. But it has a nice flat edge, a nice rounded edge, a nice point to really kind of get in there. This is nice. Actually, it's not a bad shape at all. Another lip balmy type thing. This looks like it's a negligee. That's not the same shade that I got before, right? What was the first one? Get a look now. Hold please. So the first one is, no, the first one was Seductress. So this is negligee. Same component as the other balm. Oh, but this is more of kind of like a, I gotta find out where they put the first one. This is more of a purpley, a lot more sparkle in that. I don't really smell anything on it. I just ganked at the end. Okay, so these are the two kind of like sparkly lip balms. Next thing I'm going to pull out of here is a Life Liner, very Vanta Extreme Black. Black eyeliner. Do you guys wear black eyeliner all the time? I think I wear more brown and plum. I used to only wear blue just because I wanted that little pop of navy against my lash line. This is a nice component. And oh, we got a liquid liner on one side. So let's try that. Very soft. And I think we have another side, right? Oh yeah. And then we have like a kohl liner on the other side. Okay, I would use these. Yeah, why not? Kind of fun, kind of cute. Okay, next thing on here is the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. I don't know, are these all things that she's trying to get rid of, or is she just trying to find you? This, actually, the packaging really fun. They've got where you would highlight, you know, eyes, cheeks, tip of the nose, top lip, bottom lip. Okay, these are very bronzy and very dark. I'm gonna swatch on my non-dominant hand here. Oh, creamy, wow. Super creamy. That is a gold, I feel like Goldfinger. I literally have gold fingers. Okay, this is not a cream. This second one is more of a powder, which feels a little Natasha Denona to have a cream and then a powder right next to it. Okay, let's try this one. This is a deeper, it's a powder. Very bronze. And then I'll grab the last one here. So the first one seems like it's the only one that's a real cream here. Very warm. Took me a minute for the camera to focus and get a light on it, but there's all four of them. This seems like a summer palette here. So you got Prep is the Barbados is a base. So the first one, the cream one, is a base, and then Set It. So there's your base. That's what you used to set with. Sculpt with Aruba, and Flush with Bora Bora. I like those locations. I would go to any of those locations. Okay, so that's actually kind of fun. I'll be curious to see how if I can actually get away with wearing them. Maybe in the summer. Okay, this looks gorgeous. This is not you know, there's like 3 palettes that I kind of had secretly hoped I would get. One of them being Mercury Retrograde. New Nudes would be another one. The Naughty palette, that would be good too. Gorgeous. Typical cardboard packaging type stuff. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So this one is called Rose Gold Palette Remastered. I think I might have something that would be considered a dupe for at least a lot of these, because this color story looks very, very familiar to me. Like I have a C Color Cosmetics one like it. We'll have to see. If so, maybe I'll come back and do a dupe video. This feels, so like the mirror side on this feels very heavy, but the packaging is like your typical cardboard packaging. I'm gonna put the protective thing back on it. It's very beautiful. This is actually really pretty too. I don't know if you can see, but it's got kind of a, and it's got another picture of her face on it. We're gonna leave that to cover the thing. I gotta look here. Looks like it's got a 12-month shelf life. You can follow her on a variety of different platforms. I don't see on here, I'm gonna have to look and see if Huda is a cruelty-free company or not. I don't know if she sells in China, and I'm trying to be more conscientious about the products that I purchase. I didn't purchase, well, I did purchase these. I didn't purchase these specifically. Now I feel bad. Now I feel like I wasn't as informed as I needed to be. Okay, the next thing on here looks like this is a lip strobe. Now, I did see one video of somebody unboxing some of the products. I didn't watch the whole video. And they got like a crazy bold blue or purple color, and I went, oh, I have one of those from Colored Rain that I still haven't used. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this backwards. Pretty gloss though. I'm feeling like I need to do something all sparkly and summery and pretty with some of these products. Getting down towards the end, what else do I have? I have one more item in here. Oh no, this is that Wishful Honey Bomb. This is a full size. Okay, you guys, as I mentioned when I got the sample, I think maybe allergic to lavender. Let's see. I'm nervous. Yeah, the lavender scent. I don't know what to do about that. Maybe I'll see if my daughter can use this. I don't know. Maybe I'll try it and see if I still have a reaction to it, and then see if my daughter can use it. That's the only thing, because lavender is that's a tough one for me. If I do any like the nighttime sprays, I just immediately get congested. In the large one, just a little recap, we got the air freshener, kind of random. We have the beauty sponge, super cute. We have the bronzer slash highlighter palette. We have an eyeshadow palette, full-size eyeshadow palette that look like very good wearable colors. We have a balm and a dual-ended eyeliner, super cute, and a gloss, and then this Wishful, all in this larger bag. I'm thrilled with this, thrilled. I got enough products in here to really be able to try and really get a feel of the brand, I think, a little bit better. I'm gonna nest these all into one. They all fit in the small one? Not all of them. I think I would use every single product, and I got them both nested together. So they fit all tidy and neat. And now I've got all my new Huda products corralled into a nice box. Okay, so the Wishful is the only thing in there skincare wise, and I don't know, maybe I'll try it and see if I have the reaction to it, but on first sniff I'm like, oh yeah, that's strong lavender. And I love lavender. I love having like lavender bushes outside, but as soon as I do any kind of like essential oils or room sprays or pillow sprays or anything like that, I just get congested. So I've got to use peppermint instead, and that helps shrink things, whereas lavender helps expand things, and then I get migraines. I don't recommend that. Try to avoid that as much as you can. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is my Huda Beauty mystery bundle unboxing. I'm thrilled. This was good. I didn't get any, other than the Wishful products, I didn't get anything that I was like, okay, yeah, that's not anything that's wearable. This actually feels like it was pretty well curated for ladies of a certain age who don't do anything too crazy avant-garde. All right, you guys, I hope you're doing really well, and until my next video, bye for now.